Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. Right, I'm coming to you with my headband on my head. Look at the state of my hair, alright? I tried to stretch my hair. Let me just say, the reason why I'm doing this video is you've seen the title. Yeah, my hair's dry. I've never really noticed it, but the summertime, my hair is doing all kinds of stupidness. It's doing all kinds of stuff to my hair. The sun is drying out my hair. Then I've got humidity. Yeah, as you can see, my hair looks it looks alright, doesn't it? But it doesn't feel the same. It really doesn't. You know when you know your own hair. But what I'm going to do is I want to start doing masks on my hair. A couple of months ago, I was really into masks, like they were in my routine, but for some reason they have just gone. That's way out of the routine. I'm going to reincorporate doing masks because I think my hair really needs it. And I think one of the things that I need to do, just like I did with the winter, I need to work out a new routine for the summer. So what we're going to do is we're going to test out two products, two well-known brands, and we're going to find out which one is really good. So I thought I would use these two products. So we have the Shea Moisture Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask. I need to try this in my life, but I was torn to try this one. And this one is the Camille Rose Natural Algae, I think it's pronounced Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. I didn't know which one to try, so I thought, you know what? Let me just do the Shea Moisture versus Camille Rose Natural. So both of these are really well rated. I've seen so many good reviews about both of these, but I'm just interested to see which one actually revives my hair. I really need some reviving. I need some summertime love. I want the hot summer, hot girl. What is it? Oh, that's what I want. I want to look like, look at her in the summer. Hey. So I'm going to apply that. What I'll be doing is splitting my hair in half. And I have this side with the Camille Rose Naturals and this side for the Shea Moisture. And we're going to see which one my hair responds well to. Okay, so my hair needs a wash, believe it or not. Oh, the scalp is so itchy. Ha. That feels good. So let's read a little bit about Camille Rose Naturals. You know, I love Camille Rose. Okay, it says, apply an ample amount on dry or wet hair, leave for 10 minutes, then cool, rinse while detangling with a wide tooth comb. Put on a plastic cap and apply heat for a minimum of 20 minutes. Allow conditioner to melt into your hair. Right, that's what I'll be doing. Just a normal deep conditioning type of thing. Well, I will be leaving it under a cap and getting the deep conditioning life going on. What I love about the Camille Rose Natural is it has its cocoa and mango butter. My hair loves mango butter. It says a vitamin-packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with blue-green algae. Algae? A-L-G-A-E. Algae, right? So, anyway, let's see. Oh, the lid came off there. I've not opened this before. I'm not really keen on scents. And if you like very sweet, kind of like, it's a very buttery, creamy ice cream. That's what it smells of, ice cream. It smells of ice cream. I could definitely eat this. Yeah, and the consistency is like this. Nice and creamy consistency. Okay, so moving on swiftly. I don't know how I'm gonna read this because the granny eyes. Woo! I'm taking a picture. You gotta think of these people who've got developing eyes, you know? Okay, so for the Shea Moisture, now I can read it, okay? The deep conditioning mask restores, strengthens, and resilience to damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair. Very good. It says it's enriched with black castor oil and it's certified organic shea butter to replenish moisture and soften while strengthening hair. So it does say it has Jamaican black castor oil in it, shea butter, peppermint and apple cider vinegar. I do find that apple cider vinegar definitely strips my hair, so you better not do that, okay? Oh, this is a much more, I prefer this scent. Oh, much better. So in case you haven't seen it, This is the consistency, much, much thicker. I like this consistency quite a bit. I think I have more high hopes for this Shea Moisture one. I don't know why, but I just believe that one's going to leave my hair more moisturised. Maybe it's because of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I don't know. We'll try. I'm not sure about this one. It's very creamy, and I've got a feeling it probably will not moisturise as much. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the Shea Moisture side first. So I'm just going to twist this up, and then I'll start. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, so, I'm not gonna, no, I just randomly take it by the horns and start applying. So, oh, this is lovely and creamy. Oh man, this is going on so nice. Oh, this is really lovely. And I'm just gonna forward this because you don't need to see this, okay? I don't need to, you don't need to watch this. Just beat the camera. Roll it now. Okay, so this probably took me all of, I don't know, 4 minutes to do. It was so quick. It's going on really nicely. I love the consistency. It's so nice and thick. And I feel like being a heavy-handed girl with products, I feel like I'm able to control how much I put on. If it was more watery, I'd probably slap a little bit more on. So, this is how much I used. Not that much, just for half of my head. Okay, this is going on. Okay, so this feels really nice. This feels lovely. It's a lot more looser, a lot more thinner in the consistency. Kind of feels and looks like it's sitting on the top. Anyway, let's not speak too soon, because you just don't know. You don't know. Shut your mouth, Mel. This doesn't feel as much slip as the Shea Moisture is, but there is still some slip. It's just the scent that I don't like. It's really, really sweet smell of candy, you know? A very sweet smell of candy. So, you'll be happy to know that I have another hair growth challenge. Yeah! Well, anyway, I'm excited anyway because this one is not as complicated as some of the other ones. As you can see, my hair is growing. This is growing so fast. Eish. I want to get my hair to waist length. I would love that. In order for me to do that, I need to keep doing my hair growth challenges, because it's the hair growth challenges is what's helping me concentrate and really focus on my hair, learn about my hair, watch out for my hair, apart from the time when I went on holiday. We'll move on please, ma'am. The hair growth challenges is what's stopping me from being lazy natural, and it's helping my hair grow. Alright, so I'm going to put a plastic cap on my head, and I'm just going to sit under the heated cap for a little while, and then I'm going to come back when it's rinsed out. And then, finish the deep conditioning. I thought it was worth me coming on here and seeing what kind of definition both of these products have given my hair. Okay. Okay. Let's draw you closer. Oh, it definitely feels good. That's for sure. Oh, hello. Oh, the hair feels good. It feels nice and weighty. Oh, it's definitely soaked up all of this mask. Yep, like it. Alright, Shea Moisture. Let's have a look. What you got for me? Oh, okay. This, on the other hand, doesn't feel as silky or look as silky as the Camille Rose Naturals. I'm shocked. I thought it was going to be the other way around. Again, it's very weighty, so they're both being soaked up. But as you can see, the Camille Rose Naturals has come on top, mate. I think, look at that. There's better definition. Look at the stringiness. This string, oh my word. Okay, Shea Moisture, you've left my hair, look, it hasn't soaked up as much as I thought it had. And you kind of left my hair a bit dull. And yeah, there's definition, but when you look at the Camille Rose Naturals, it looks so natural. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to rinse it out. Okay? And we're going to see what it looks like when it's completely rinsed out of my hair. So hello there, I'm back. Yes, I have rinsed out the masks. And I can just tell you now, the Camille Rose Natural, the, what's it called? The Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask feels like it's conditioned my hair. It feels like it's moisturised my hair. It feels like my hair's got something on it, like it's coated with a moisturiser. Okay, sad to say, the Shea Moisture feels dry. It doesn't feel moisturised. It feels a little bit dry. It doesn't feel like it's got anything on it. I mean, it feels moisturised, but not as much as this. I'm a bit disappointed. So let's just have a look at the curl pattern. Look, I've got no Mel's Butter Me Up cream in it, and I'm just loving the definition. Look at that, look at that. That's so good. It's got shine, my hair's shiny. I don't see any, I'm not seeing any frizz, and it feels great. My hair feels soft, it feels moisturised. I'm loving it. Even the ends that are a little bit frayed looks good. Over to the Shea Moisture. Seeing frizz, looks a bit dry. It actually looks dry because it looks stiff. It's not flopping like it would normally. I mean, there's still curl definition. Curl definition is there, but we've also got some kind of frizz, as you can see, going on there. So from afar you can't really tell, it doesn't really show that this side is not, well, I mean, it does a little bit. It does show a little bit, there's a bit of fluffiness, and this side looks like I've put a leave-in conditioning or something. So that's it, guys, we have found a verdict. This is the winner. So guys, let me know if you've tried either one of these products. I'd really like to know what your thoughts are on how these have been for your hair, or if you had better results. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Give it a like because it really helps my channel. And I want to say a big thank you to all of my lovely online friends. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. I say every single week, I'm grateful for your conversation, for your love, your support. All of you, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your time. And if you are new on this channel, you just came across me, why don't you consider subscribing, because I'd really love it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I will see you again in my next one. You take care now, and God bless you. Bye.